Let's go to MiniMax Procedure, which is based on adversarial search. It is widely used in two-player turn-based game like tic-tac-toe or chess game, where two-player plays, and if one player will done its uh, have has chosen the choices, then another player can do the same thing, and in that way, one by one, in a turn basis, player will uh, play their game or they will move. It is an algorithm that is used in game theory to find the optimal move for a player, assuming that your opponent also play optimally. In this algorithm, what will happen is, as we know that we are looking here the game theory, some sort of game theory part in this particular algorithm, and in which we are looking for the optimal move, and definitely we are thinking that my opponent will also perform the optimal move. In Minimax, two players are called minimizer and maximizer. So we have two players, minimizer and maximizer. The minimizer try to get the highest score possible, while the minimizer try to get lowest score possible. So minimizer try to do the opposite, and minimizer try to get the lowest score for its opponent, not for itself. So there are two type of players here, minimizer and maximizer. If we'll consider a game tree and we'll assume that the maximizer is you, and you get the first chance to move, you are in the root node and your opponent is in the next level. So you are the maximizer and your opponent is the minimizer. You are in the root node, and after that your opponent is there, again you are there, and in that way it goes on. Let's see with the help of this example. Now here we have root node. You assume that it is a maximizer, you. Then in the first level, there is a minimizer. Then again, in the second level is a maximizer. And at last, we have the terminal nodes. And these terminal nodes are nothing but your terminals, means your game should end here. So about that, we have an example where we have discussed how we can achieve the goal search here in the Minimax procedure.